To download Doordash on your PC, you will need to use an Android emulator since Doordash is primarily designed for mobile devices. The first step is to choose a reliable Android emulator such as BlueStacks or Nox Player. Once you have selected an emulator, download and install it on your computer. The installation process typically involves running the executable file and following the on-screen instructions. After the emulator is installed, launch it and set it up by following the initial setup wizard. Next, you will need to sign in to your Google account within the emulator to access the Google Play Store. If you do not have a Google account, create one and then sign in. With the emulator set up and your Google account signed in, open the Google Play Store and search for Doordash. Click on the Doordash app icon and then click the Install button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. After the installation is complete, you can launch the Doordash app from within the emulator. You will need to sign into your Doordash account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Once signed in, you can use the Doordash app on your computer just like you would on a mobile device. You can browse restaurants, place orders, and track the status of your delivery all from the comfort of your computer. It is essential to note that using an Android emulator may have some performance implications, and the app may not run as smoothly as it would on a mobile device. However, this method allows you to access the Doordash app on your computer, providing a convenient alternative to using a mobile device. By following these steps, you can successfully download and use Doordash on your PC, allowing you to enjoy your favorite food from the comfort of your own home.